Hi, I'm Devin Mondillo. I'm an account executive here at Razor Technology, and I'm here today to talk to you about Microsoft's Power BI. Here at Razor Technology, we are comprehensive IT solutions providers, and we really pride ourselves on being that advisor for our clients. We listen to our clients' problems and hear them out, and then we identify areas that we can come in and be the solution, and then we support them all through post-deployment. And as an account executive, I work with clients here from an enterprise level to a small business mom and pop level and everywhere in between. And all of those clients typically have different problems. But one that we kept hearing across the board was disparate data. The ability to view their data and have predictability in their organization in a single pane of glass that they could see visually. So one solution that when we hear that, we think of Microsoft's Power BI. And that is an extremely custom application that allows for their data to be pulled into visual fields, whether that's charts, graphs, predictive analytics. It's all extremely important for companies to be able to track, and a lot of them are tracking them in very different places. So Power BI allows them to pull up a screen and see all of that data in one place. And it's been extremely beneficial and helps, improve time and efficiency within the organization. 381% ROI on Power BI alone, and in 6 months, it actually pays for itself and then some. Those are pretty significant numbers, and we have seen that our clients have agreed with them. Some industries, we can actually reduce the data retrieval and analysis down from days, taking it days to get that data, to minutes and even seconds. So this platform is extremely beneficial to clients of all sizes, and it can even represent anywhere from a 30% to a 40% in cost savings alone. And once we hear that Power BI could be the solution for our clients, what we do is we scope it out. So it is a very custom solution down to the color of the charts, down to what type of chart that you want, down to logos in the fields. So we hear them out, we understand what they want as a deliverable, and then we put together a plan and a proposal, and we move forward with the project, and we work alongside of them post-deployment until they're fully happy with that analytic platform. Power BI is business analytics driven by Microsoft's platform. And what it does is it pulls data from the organization. We're able to make a bridge and have it pull data from your organization's analytics and put it into visual fields, whether that's charts or graphs. And it also has a side of it that has predictive analytics. So it can predict the future based on the current data. Power BI helps companies of all sizes have visibility into their analytics, their key performance indicators, and again, it allows them to predict the future months' earnings, future months' key KPIs. It puts the data in a visual field that allows for a very easy digestion of that data. So you can make decisions based on it very quickly. You can pull different reports way faster than you could if it was in SSRS reports or anywhere else. Clients that are already using Power BI find it to be extremely effective in saving them time, energy, and money because, again, it allows them to see the data in a visual field that they can pull automatically rather than having to go through many different reports to get that data. And honestly, some clients aren't able to track KPIs prior to having Power BI because they don't have the ability to put that into a key performance indicator, whereas Power BI does it for you once it's custom built. So we have an enterprise level client who has over 300 different locations of stores. And it was very difficult for them to track down the data in each of those stores. They didn't even know the names of the management within those locations. So that is an example of some data that was disparate. It was all over the place and they had no way of tracking it. Microsoft's Power BI allowed them to put that into a visual field, into a chart, and they have that data at their fingertips that they can review before their employee performance reviews. Related to cost, Power BI can represent anywhere between a 30 and 40% in cost savings alone, and then 381% ROI. And Power BI is known to pay for itself within 6 months due to the time savings and efficiency savings. Microsoft's Power BI is an extremely efficient tool that companies of all sizes can enjoy. We're here to help you make smarter decisions and help you today. So give us a call.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Myers and I'm the Director of Data State here at Razor Technologies. During your digital transformation journey, you're going to find yourself asking about your data. How are you going to store your information, analyze, and share it across your organization in a safe and secure way? Well, Microsoft offers a comprehensive suite of products and services that collectively form an intelligent data platform. These tools and services work together to help organizations manage their data effectively. At the center of this toolkit, there's a powerful business intelligence and data visualization tool called Power BI. It offers several solutions that can benefit businesses in various ways. Here are some key solutions that Power BI brings to your business. Let's start off with data visualization. Power BI allows your business to create interactive dashboards and reports to analyze your data. It provides a wide range of visualization options that include charts, graphs, maps, and tables, making it easier to understand and explore your data. Data integration. Power BI enables your business to connect to multiple data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and other business applications. It allows you to bring your data together from different sources and create a unified view for analysis. This eliminates data silos and enables better decision making. Data analysis. With Power BI, you can perform advanced data analysis using various built-in tools and features. It supports powerful data modeling capabilities, allowing you to define relationships between different data sets, create calculated measures and columns, and perform complex calculations. Power BI also offers advanced analytic features like forecasting, clustering, and quick insights to uncover hidden patterns and trends in your data. Real-time monitoring. This allows you to connect to real-time data sources and provides live updates on KPIs and metrics. It enables your business to monitor your operations, sales, customer behavior, and other critical aspects in real time, helping you make faster and more informed decisions. Collaboration and sharing. Power BI provides collaborative features that allow teams to work together on data analysis and reporting. It allows users to share dashboards, reports, and data sets with colleagues, enabling seamless collaboration and fostering data-driven decision-making across the entire organization. Power BI also offers robust security and access control features to ensure that data privacy and compliance are always there. One of our clients' favorites is the mobile access. Power BI offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, allowing users to access their reports and dashboards on the go. This enables you to stay connected to your data and make informed decisions from anywhere at any time. And finally, integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Power BI seamlessly integrates with Microsoft tools and services like Excel, SharePoint, Azure, Dynamics 365. This integration allows you to leverage your existing investments in Microsoft technologies and create an end-to-end solution that spans across different platforms. Now, how about we jump into a quick demo to show you guys what Power BI can do. So let's get started with this demonstration. So here we have a demo dashboard. This is a sales pipeline that we have put together. So I'll go ahead and explain some of the features that Power BI has here that we've set in place and a little bit of the data points that we're tracking. So this is a sales pipeline. Here we have at the top some of the main KPIs that we're trying to track. We have set up many filters that allow me to slice and dice the data however I want. As you can see, wherever I click, it's going to be slicing and dicing the data as needed. It also has cross-filtering, meaning let's say if I want to click on the map, making it very interactive. This is great if you're on tablets or phones. I can see the data slice and dice right away. I can also set in buttons to visualize the data in a different way. So I have multiple ways of looking at the trends and setting up the data. Let's go into another page. So over here I want to focus on this, on the right hand side, on this smart narrative. So smart narrative is part of one of the insight visualizations that Power BI has, and basically what it does, it gives me a quick explanation, written explanation of what's going on here in the visualizations. It also adapts to anything I click on. So let's say I click on this February bar, it adapts immediately, explaining to me what's going on, and it keeps adapting according to what I click on. And that also functions with the filters. If I want to click on one of the filters, it immediately adapts and understands what I have clicked on and gives me that further explanation that I'm looking for. Here we have again other multiple filters that have been set, but I want to focus on this visualization, this bubble chart that's here, which is, again, these are more visualizations that give you that interaction and allow you to dive deep into the data. So for example, here I'm looking at my revenue by territory across time, and I can see that I can play this and it's going to give me the behavior of the revenue by that territory across the many months. Now if I find one that I want to track and want to understand better the behavior, I can literally click on the bubble and I can see the path of that data point and how it's taken. I can even replay it to see that path form across time. So it's very interesting, very interactive, very powerful data understanding. And here on Trend Analytics, it's something that everyone likes to see, and it's forecasting. So Power BI has some out-of-the-box visualizations in which you can set up forecasting. You can also set up forecasting throughout DAX measures and calculations. Very, very powerful visualizations. And let's dive into the insights. So insights, again, Power BI runs machine learning in the background for these type of visualizations, and this one here, we're going to be looking at the key influencers. So the question I'm asking here is, I want to understand what are the key influencers that can help my closing percentage increase. That's what I'm looking for. That's the question I'm asking. So when I do that, Power BI is going to go back and analyze the data. It's going to give me a full first result saying, listen, your products that have a value around $10,000 usually close about 11.06% higher. So that's giving me a hint of maybe of, what range of products do I want to get into. I can also see on these two other sections here that there's names of people, and those are sales reps. So it's telling me if I assign my opportunities to those sales reps, I have anywhere between 7.9 and 7.6 percentage of increased closing that could happen there if I assign my opportunities to those sales reps. Now also if I run any type of promotion, that usually can help about 7.1%, or even if I run a campaign where there is a sales contest, that also promotes sales at around 7.1. And many other suggestions that Power BI comes up based on the data that we have in the model. So very, very powerful information that we see here. Another one that I would like to show you is the decomposition tree. So let's say we take our revenue, and I want to see where that revenue goes across the entire organization. So here I have these categories that are territory, owner, and industry. And I can flip across them to understand better where that information is coming from and how it impacts the business. And it also tells me, you know what, maybe on this industry here in telecommunications, maybe I could have a little bit more focus and understand why this isn't producing the revenue. And life insurance, you know, it's so high. So is there anything here that I can imitate on these other industries that I'm not selling as much? Or maybe the products that I'm making are not for that. So it invites to have those questions, but at a glance, I can start having those questions, start having those conversations, trying to understand what's going on and bring solutions to the table. Another one that I would like to show you guys, it's called the Q&A. So Q&A, basically what it does, it takes natural language where it allows me to type in information here, type in a question, and it brings up a visualization. So with this, what we would start is, it also gives you suggestions. So I'm going to click on one of the suggestions, and this is basically saying, you know, bring the count loss across time. Okay, but let's look into something more interesting. Let's say, you know, what is my revenue won by, let's say, territory? So perfect, there it is. It's telling me the revenue I have won across territory, but you know what? I don't like to see it in these bars. I like to see it in a pie chart. So let's look at it in a pie chart. And from there, I can see it. It brings up the visualization, allows me to understand it, and it's answering my question right away. So this is great. Another feature I wanted to show you, again, with insights, is you will see Power BI has this Get Insights button here. So what it's going to do is I'm going to click it, and it's going to analyze the data that I have here, especially these visualizations. And it's going to detect anomalies, trends, and it's going to give me a quick explanation of what it's reading and what it's understanding. I can click on this, and it's also going to go ahead and give me a visualization and continue giving me an explanation of what's going on. Now this is incredibly powerful because, as you can see, it's detecting so many trends, so many anomalies, that I can go ahead and understand each and every one of these and find one that could be incredibly useful and bring this one to the main stage, to the center stage, and keep track of that. So these insights that Power BI provides, again, it runs machine learning in the background to be able to provide me this information, analyzing my data model, and giving me more insights on my data that maybe I wouldn't have thought of. Incredibly powerful stuff. And this is just a small sample of what Power BI can do. This is an incredibly high customizable tool, incredibly flexible tool that adapts to any business, giving you your data at your fingertips, anywhere, anytime. Thank you. To learn more about Power BI and Microsoft Intelligent Data Platform, please contact us at Razor Technology so we can guide you through your data journey. Thank you.